Hello students, welcome to the class. Let us start our today's lesson, and our topic for today's lesson is multiplication of fractions. So today we will study about how to multiply the two given fractions to us. Now the multiplication of fraction is a very easy method in which we simply have to multiply the numerator value with the numerator of second fraction and the denominator of the first fraction with the denominator of second fraction. After multiplying, what we have to do is to reduce the fraction into its lowest term. So the same process we are going to use today with these sums, as you can see on the board, and the question says find the products for the given numbers. So let us start doing the solution one by one. Start the solution here. 18 1 upon 4 of 12 means we have to multiply 18 1 upon 4, which is a mixed fraction, with 12. So at the place of we can put the sign of multiplication now. At the same time, since you can see that 18 1 upon 4 is a mixed fraction, so very first we have to convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction. So let us convert here. So 4 multiplied by 18, 72. 72 plus 1 is 73. So our improper fraction for 18 1 upon 4 is 73 upon 4. At the place of we will put the sign of multiplication, and it is multiplied by 12. This 12, since it is a whole number, you can write it in the fraction form like 12 upon 1. Clear, students? Now, as two fractions are now done with us and we have to multiply, so multiplication says that multiply numerator with numerator and denominator with denominator. At the same time, you can also see that there is a value in the numerator as 12 and denominator as 4, and you can see that you know that 12 is divisible by 4, so you can simplify the term here only. 4 ones are 4 threes are. Instead of multiplying first and reducing afterward, you can also reduce the term here, but reducing is applicable only when you have to divide something numerator and denominator. That means one value should be in numerator, second value should be in denominator. You cannot simplify the term if both the values are in denominator or both the values are in numerator. That means you cannot simplify numerator with numerator or denominator with denominator. Clear, students? So let us continue once again here. So as I simplified 12 by 4, 4 ones are 4 and 4 threes are 12. Now we are left with 73 upon 1 multiplied by 3 upon 1. Now multiply the numerator. 73 threes are 3 threes are 9 and 7 threes are 21. What is 1 ones are 1. So our final answer is 219. Therefore, we can say that 18 1 upon 4 portion of 12 is 219. So this is our first multiplication solution. Coming to the second part, in which we have to multiply 4 upon 3 with 7 upon 9. So now we have to multiply 4 upon 3 with 7 upon 9. So let us multiply here 4 upon 3 and 7 upon 9. Now very first, before multiplication, please check out, is there any term which is in numerator and denominator and simplifying each other? So 4 and 9, they are not. 3 and 7, no. So since there are no terms which is dividing each other or simplifying each other, so we can just multiply the term. Multiplying numerator with numerator, 4 sevens are 28 and 3 nines are 27. Clear? So by multiplication you got 28 upon 27, but here you can see that 28 upon 27 is actually a improper fraction. It is an improper fraction. So what we need to do? We need to convert it into mixed fraction. So for that I will divide 28 by 27. So 27 ones are 27. What is the remainder left? Remainder is 1. So now let's write 28 upon 27, improper fraction, into mixed fraction. So we can write it as 1 upon 27. The quotient will become whole number, remainder at the top, that means numerator, and divisor at the denominator. So 1 upon 27 is the final answer for multiplication of 4 upon 3 with 7 upon 9. Clear, students? Coming to the third part, and now we have to multiply three different numbers. The first one is 2, 1 upon 2 multiplied by 4, 3 upon 6 multiplied by 1. So as you can see, two of the numbers are mixed fractions. So very first we will change it into improper fraction. So let's convert. 2 2s are 4 plus 1 is 5. So our first number is 5 upon 2 multiplied by 6 4s are 24 plus 3 27 upon 6 and multiplied by 1. You can write 1 upon 1. Clear, students? Now we will check out whether any of the numerator denominators are simplifying each other or not. So if you see 6 and 27, these are the two numbers which are divisible by 3. So we can simplify here. 3 2s are 6 and 3 9s are 27. Is there any other numerator value in the numerator or denominator which is simplifying each other? No. So now let's copy down the values once again. 5 upon 2 multiplied by 9 upon 2 multiplied by 1 upon 1. 1 upon 1. Now multiplying the numerators together, 5 9s are 45 multiplied by 1 is 45. 2 2s are 4 and 4 1s are 4. Once again you can see the result is 45 upon 4, which is again an improper fraction. It is an improper fraction. So what we will do, just like our previous solution, we will convert this into mixed fraction. So 45 divided by 4, 4 1s are 4, subtracted here, 5 will come down, 4 1s are 4, the remainder is come out as 1. Clear? Now let's write this improper fraction to the mixed fraction. The quotient will become the whole number, then remainder will be our numerator and divisor as the denominator. So the mixed fraction for 45 upon 4 is 11 1 upon 4, and this is how we have solved our third portion. Now coming to the last part, and let's check out the solution for this fourth part also, in which we have to multiply 4 upon 33 with 67 upon 7 and 21 upon 2. We have to multiply these three fractions together. So very first I would like to copy down here 4 upon 33 multiplied by 66 upon 7 multiplied by 21 upon 2. As all these values are fractions, simply fractions, so there is no need to do any conversion now. And let us start the simplification, because as I told you before multiplication, let us check out which of the numbers are simplifying each other. So very first you can see here 7 1s are 7 3s are. Clear, students? Simplifying 2 and 4, 2 1s are 2 2s are 4. And then similarly simplifying 33 and 66, 33 1s are 33 2s are. Clear? Now let's write what are the terms left to us. The first fraction is now 2 upon 1, 2 in the numerator, 1 in the denominator, multiplied by the second fraction is now 2 upon 1, and the third fraction comes out as 3 upon 1. Clear, students? So now after simplifying, we are left with 2 upon 1 multiplied by 2 upon 1 multiplied by 3 upon 1. Let's multiply. 2 2s are 4 and 4 3s are 12 upon 1 1s are 1 and 1 1s are 1. Our final answer is 12. So this is how you can multiply any such type of fraction values in which there are some mixed fractions, so you have to change it to improper fraction. If the answer is coming out as improper fraction, then you have to convert the final answer into mixed fraction. At the same time, there will be some multiplication in which you have to very first simplify and then you have to multiply. Simplification and then multiplication. This is how you can solve different type of multiplication questions related to fractions. I hope this lesson is clear to all of you. Thank you for the lesson, students.